Hey there, fellow audio lovers. Robert McClellan here, and today we're going to be doing a deep dive on a game changer for your home studio setup, the Arc Studio system by IK Multimedia. Now, I know that we all share sort of a common struggle with the rooms that we're in, whether it be the acoustics, the setups themselves, and we've all been there, right? Just fighting against those unwanted resonances, the belting room modes, and desperately trying to fine-tune our audio environment. It's a challenge that seriously can impact the quality of your recordings and your mixes as well. So what's the deal with the Arc Studio? Well, it's not just a correction tool as some have thought. It's actually a complete audio solution for your home studio. Imagine having a dedicated system that not only analyzes your space, but also pinpoints those pesky issues and then, in real time, corrects them with almost zero latency. Now, this little box here is the hardware brains behind the entire operation. In fact, with its minimal footprint and minimal usage of cables, you will sometimes wonder if it's even there. What's more is you don't have to worry about the cumbersome plugins messing with your main outputs anymore. It's seamless, it's smart, it's kind of like your secret audio weapon. Now, the Arc Studio isn't just about fixing problems, however, it's also about giving you options. If you need to route signals to external hardware, you can do that. Managing multiple setups is super easy. Now, I've used similar systems like this, but I have to say that the Arc Studio setup was a breeze. Now, you can get super nerdy like I did and actually put tape on the floor and then measure out the distances between that tape and mark where each reference point is at, or you can simply just follow the instructions on the screen and still get a great result easily. So to sum all this up, I believe that all of our pain points as home studio owners have been addressed in this one single product. There are many audio benefits that are unlocked by using it, and I believe that all of our room issues for once can be solved. So check the links below to take your audio game to the next level using the Arc Studio system by IK Multimedia. My name is Robert McClellan. Happy mixing, and remember, we can dream alone, we can even create alone, but together we can achieve so much more.